I am back with the piggies, and they're dry. And I did little brown dots, which weren't really brown. They were this color, my faux brown. And now I'm making eyes on the piggies. Maybe I think I should do this piggy first. And this is so scary. Yeah. You guys have no idea. It's like these little dots are hard to make to come out as dots. And again, this is a cut up brush that I cut up just for making thinner things. Because none of my liner brushes seem to work. And this is like a really stiff bristle brush. So it worked better for dots than my other thin one. And I did practice, believe it or not, even though this eye came out horrible here. I gotta now make the other one bigger. Oh no. See, this is why it's scary. Because I'm also working on kind of an uneven surface. Okay. Now I did go through and make a second layer, which you can't even tell about, of red bacon. And I think I'm just gonna have to go more red, because, yeah. It does not look good. I don't know. My bacon is just not baconing. So I just keep adding to my bacon. And going over it. And I also went over it and tried to cover up any place that was white, because I felt like it was too white. So, and this is thicker than my last one, so I'm using a thicker brush is what I mean. The other brush was skinnier than this. I don't know. My bacon isn't baconing for me. And I think maybe I'm just gonna have to, like, step away. Step away from the bacon after this. And then give myself some, like, a minute and a half to think about it. Because sometimes if I give myself time and I let things dry, then I'm like, oh, actually, that's not half bad. Either that or I look at it and I'm like, you know what, I'm too lazy to repaint that. So if either one of those happen, I'm fine with it. So let's see. I thought bacon was going to be easy to paint. Easier to paint than the little piggies, honestly. But I'm not feeling the bacon. So maybe that's it. Maybe that's the end of It's Raining Bacon. I don't know. Maybe I'll decide I hate it and go back through and paint more colors. I'm not sure. I mean, I kind of like the little piggies just the way they are. I mean, they look like little cartoon pigs. I don't know if I should try an attempt to do little mouths. I'm just afraid that my liner brush won't work as well as I want it to. See? One. My black is very liquidy. But besides that, see how hard it is? Like, to do a U? Especially with... And I would have to do like a microscopic little, like that, but not. See, I'm just afraid my liner brush isn't good enough to do that. And this is my real liner brush. See? But see, that's about, well, almost the size of my pig. See, and then if I try and go with this liner brush, I think the mouth will just be too big. I'm gonna have to do it though, aren't I? I'm gonna have to make them little happy pigs. I've got pink. If I really mess it up, I can fix it. Okay, let me... I'm adding some water to the black paint over here in another container. Okay, but I'm just trying to sharpen the edge of my brush. See, because the second, it just doesn't want to stay sharp. Okay. Okay. With shaky hands and lots of fear. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna do an eye. So I forgot to do an eye on this one. There we go. I am over here sweating bullets. That one was a little too big, which sucks, but I think it's fine. We're just gonna go with it. And that one didn't touch at all. I'm telling you, it's scary. It's scary. And the last one, there we go. Okay, so I have some happy pigs. This pig doesn't look happy enough. There we go. Okay. We have happy pigs. Something that kind of looks like bacon. I don't know. Not 100% happy on my bacon. But I'm gonna let it dry because I'm not messing up the smiles. So, yeah, the bacon doesn't look good. A part of that is I don't think the colors are showing well. I don't know. Can you differentiate between the colors? Because there's like 5 different colors. I think I might need to do something else. Make the bacon look more bacony. I'll be back figuring out the bacon.